Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This will be June Patreon for STL Files, Part 5. If you do like it, please subscribe, like, and share. And also check out our Discord and our Patreon down below as well. Uh, so this is basically about printing your D&D figures, your Warhammer proxy or any type of war tabletop and figures as well. So we'll start with Legion miniatures. They do Marvel and DC. So if you do like a Marvel DC type game or some type of battle type as well, this might be a good one as well. So we got a mixture of DC and Marvel. So we have Iron Man, the Hulkbuster, Batman. I believe that's one of the Invisible Woman, the Human Torch. That's kind of hard to see with my eyes. This is Green Ranger right there too, and the female Daredevil. I don't know what kind of Spider-Man that is, and we have a lot. I don't know. Another Spider-Man is the Iron Suit Spider-Man, and another type of Spider-Man as well. So there is a lot of it. I don't know if we can. There's your DC right there. That's Superboy with a jacket. Superboy usually have jackets. Some of these DC, there's the old school Flash for it. Yeah, it's very good models they want to use for your game. You're doing superhero role playing games. I know there are superhero role playing games that your guys might be interested for it. Next is cast and play. I think this is going to be a video one. Hopefully not. No, it'll be giants. So if you want to have a lot of different types, I think this is one type of giants, but we can take a look at it. And there's your throwback, your goblin. You have a looks like a doesn't look like a hill giant, but look like a hill giant with what it's wearing. We have hill giants over here as well, and one that's holding a villager. So we have nothing. I think these are nothing but hill giants. So if you want hill giants, this is what you need. They're not that bright, but they do anything. And this is probably the worst way you can actually carry shit. A slave hill giants and stuff like that as well. But this will be look pretty cool. For your game, you can use this war proxies too for Age of Sigmar. You may have to scale it up a bit. Lost Kingdom miniatures. We have looks like vampires on seahorses. We have a big hermit crab. I think these are undead pirates or vampires. There's zombies. Okay, zombie pirates with zombie sea dragon and a whole bunch of stuff as well. So okay, so we have zombie pirates in the sea. So if you're doing a sea battle, that looks like a vampire. That is a vampire. That is no freaking zombie for it. So vampire pirates in the sea, and you can do undead. We have undead seahorse and sea dragons and hermit crab. Looks like it. So yeah, if you're interested in it, go for it. It's gonna be very interesting. Vampires in water. There are stuff that I don't know why, but like vampire cannot cross big bodies of water and stuff like that. Depending on how you want your vampires to be, as we say. This is Imperial Pathfinder one for it. But for June, we have these for June. So I know this is part from a hentai. I know that for a fact. These probably good for D&D for that as well. Probably there's no nude in this one. Usually there is, but yeah, that is it. Uh, this is the actual one that looks like it in Kickstarter, but you can also get it on the dungeon pinups as well. Tordon minis for figures. For this month, we have these Amazonian looking ones as well. And down they added more down. But I know they do three of these. We have Sister of Purity. Very good one looking like that I see. but this is still going to be the June release right here. So we have Thelma. I forgot the other name was. I think this is Cleopatra, and I do not know who she is. If you do, leave it down in the comments down below. 3D Moji. You will have better figures as well. So we have the girl from Metal Gear Solid. Never played the latest one for it, so I don't know. So this probably be next month. I watched the trailer of this. I thought it was kind of not my kind of thing. I would love to have her from High School DxD. Let's see here. There should be more coming in. I don't know. We'll see more as we go. Oh, we got her. So, Artisan Guild. This we're gonna watch a video for. I think these are gonna be half dragons and so forth as well. Take me move sound. I'm gonna skim through a bit. Draconian Shock Troop. So we have half dragons because Dragonborn don't have wings nor tails. Depending on what you want your Dragonborn to do in your DM and so forth as well. But you can use him as one of the dragon cultist as well that serves Tiamat if you like in your game. There's another version of this as well. Should be an easy one. I'm gonna get contrast paint pretty soon. Get like a lot of paintings done very quickly as well. We have actual dragons. That looks like a green dragon right there. That looks like a black, and there's a blue. I don't know what this one looks like. That's a red. So yeah. So hopefully there'll be more different types in your dragon riders as well. I already printed some dragon riders already, but hopefully this will be pretty good because we need different colors of dragon riders as well. We have one with crossbows and so forth as well. So we have the boss. Looks like a spellcaster. Looks like a head of a black dragon as well. There's a blue dragon with a lightning pole arm. In the temple. I think we have our pinups so far. So you have a flat, you can have it give it some boobas for that as well. And we have another dragon. This looks like the one from Magic the Gathering. I forgot his Bolus. Looks like Bolus. How it looks like. We have our 5-headed. So this will be their version of a Tiamat. Looks like it. And your weapon, everything all together. Well, that is done. Let me know what you like that as well. If there's Patreon that you want me to look up, please leave down in the comments below. We can look some of them up for you guys as well. So we have ES Monster, another figure as well. Hopefully we get Chung Li. We got Bao Zet. I don't know. This one's gonna be for this month. This is July. This is next month. So we'll look at that. For June, we have Vampira. We have one more, and we have the Amazon from I forgot that game called Honor Panther, and that'll be it for those two. Wild March, if you want Warhammer proxies for this, it'll be the last one for this month for this video. We'll say you have Chaos Space Marines with jetpacks. We have Void Bless. Probably make. That looks freaking creepy. I do need some more Chaos prints. I need to make my Chaos prints whole. So we don't have much to go on. We don't or see much of. So it looks like it'll be nothing but Chaos Space Marines. So if you want Chaos Space Marines, go for Wild March. I'll tell you that right now. Warp Miniature, this is probably the last one. keep forgetting. We have old school orcs. Old school orcs were pig heads, humanoid pig heads. So these are old school orcs. If you don't know, that's why a lot of anime you see a lot of orcs have like pig nose snout and like a shaped head of a pig. This is probably one of the reasons why as well. They usually were orcs were basically pig heads. So yeah, this is old school orc. They're gonna do. I don't mind freaking printing them out, painting them out as well. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Thank you guys very much, and have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye bye.